Do you want to say hi?
Yes, okay, now she's sad.
Now she's sad. This sounds like a very intense treatment.
Now we can make her happy.
Oh, we got to make her happy?
Yeah. I'm sorry I did that to real folks. Because now she's sad outside.
Now she's sad and outside?
Because her legs are going to go to dance because she's singing now. Because she's happy because you know it's a bad guy, you know.
Oh, she was happy, but now it's a bad guy?
Mm-hmm.
Did somebody save her?
Yeah. Come on.
Is she all better?
Let's go save her. Because she be happy because she can find her grandma.
Oh, she had to find her camera?
No, she doesn't have her grandma. She gotta find her grandma.
She gotta find it?
Sticky! I got you. She gotta find her grandma.
Oh, she's gotta find her grandma?
Yes.
Oh, her grandma.
Ooh, now she's gone now.
And
I
she's
can
gone
see
now?
her.
You can't see her?
Now she's gone in the grass.
This was a very intense dream that
Going
Anastasia
in the
had.
grass.
She's going in the grass?
You okay, Dad? I can see him. I can see him.
Do you want to eat?
But now she's gone now.
And now she's gone now? Oh. Do we want to eat lunch?
Yep.
Do you want to try a chili cheese dog?
She's still.
Oh, you want a cheese dog? It's a chili cheese dog. Let me go get it.
I need some.
You need some?
I need them. This is mine. This is his. This mine.
This one's yours and this one's Sissy's.
This one mine.
This one's yours?
This one's Sissy's.
Okay.
This one mine.
That one's yours? Okay.
This pickle.
And there's a pickle on the side. Yes. Because everybody keeps asking if you guys still love pickles. And you do. So the chili is not very hot. Oh, are you going to just pick out the dog? Ooh, look how yummy. So I did cut the hot dogs in half so that they would not be a choking hazard. Is that so good? Oh,
Pick up.
you pick it up.
You have to pick
There you
it
go.
up.
You put it back on your bun?
You have to.
Here, look.
Back on
Can I show you? And we fold it. Are you just going to eat the beef off of there? And you can bite into it like that.
Hey.
Or you can just pick it all off. That's fine too. You eat it however you want
I
to
made
eat
some
it.
beans.
And some beans? Okay.
Oh, it is.
Oops! Whoops! We forgot our water bottle was there, didn't we? It's okay. I got it. It's okay. No problem.
Because she's go loud.
Oh, yeah?
Now she take her.
And she took her?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We're going to find her.
We gotta find her? Okay. So these are the Applegate hot dogs. They don't have any sugar in them. They have no nitrates or nitrites. They're from grass-fed beef cows. Pretty good, huh?
I'm eating it.
I know you're liking it. Are pickles your favorite?
Okay, my gone.
The grandma's gone?
Yeah, now where can I find her?
Okay, we'll find her. I'm not sure what dream this was, but
Yeah,
this is
okay, my
intense.
gone now.
We gotta find the grandma, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, my gone. We can find her grandma.
Yeah, we will. We'll have to search for clues on where she
I
is.
lost
yes.
my grandma.
You lost your grandma? There is cheese on there.
I lost my grandma.
Oh, are we gonna find her?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find her.
My grandma wants some pickle.
Oh, she does, huh?
He loves it.
No, it's funny because all of our grandmas We call Nana or Nani.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't actually call anybody Grandma. Oh, Anastasia found her hot dog. Is it good? Do you like the chili on top too?
Hey, what's that?
Oh, I think that was just a motorcycle that drove by.
It said beep beep.
It said beep beep.
It said up a sign. It said
Make sure you chew your hot dog. And then we can talk, right? Mm-hmm.
it was raining rain, huh?
Yeah.
They're ducking back in.
Okay.
They're ducking back down.
Yeah.
You're ducking back in.
I am talking about them, yeah.
I lost my camera, Sissy. You lost your camera? No. I lost my camera. Oh. Look, I find new camera. Okay. Grandma won't make me over here. I heard something.
Oh, that was the wood stove because it's windy outside. So the wind blew and some of the wind came down our smokestack because there's no fire in there to burn it to make the wind go back up. So it just came in and blew the little glass panel. It happens on extra windy days. It's still crazy hot outside, but it is a little windy, but it's just blowing hot air around out there. Is your hot dog really good?
Well, we're going to really do it. Huh?
Yeah, make sure you chew really well.
Okay, yeah. It's too big.
It's too big? We'll bite a little piece.
Okay.
Well, that's a really little piece. You can take a little bit bigger bite than that. There you go.
Ah, you do it.
Oh, just bite it.
Hey, what's that?
There you go, see?
What's that?
Oh, that's a Y, remember? Or hang loose. Hang loose. Piece?
Fish.
I have to fix your fingers. Okay, so these two go down. And the thumb goes down. And those two go up. Peace. Like that. Good job. See? Peace. Good job.
I need it.
Oh, we gotta finish eating our chili dog. Do you like the beans that are in there?
Nope, they're not beans.
Some of them are beans.
They're just burger.
Oh, are they like mini hot dogs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just, yes.
You want to take a bite? Yeah. I know Guinevere likes the beans, huh? You ate all of your beans off your hot dog.
Yep.
Yep.
Don't you say yep.
Dougie does say yep.
And you first say no.
Littlefoot says, well, Ducky also says no.
Get that doggy get leave.
Yeah, we don't want Ducky to leave.
Her grandma is gone.
Her grandma's gone. Is that what we're talking about? Are we talking about Littlefoot?
Yeah. And you're from, I lost my grandma.
You lost your grandma?
Yeah, I did. That's my grandma.
Oh, we'll find her. I really have no idea what grandma we're talking about. Are we talking about Moana?
Oh no.
No, because we call her Grandma Gigi. Hi.
I lost my grandma.
You lost your grandma.
I told my grandma. I told Mama grandma.
You tell the camera that you lost your grandma?
I lost my grandma.
Oh, we're going to find her?
Grandma. Yeah.
Yeah.
You wash my hands.
Oh, you want to wash your hands? You want to wipe them on a paper towel? Or do you want?
I'm sorry.
Or do you want to wipe?
Do that.
Do you want to wipe or towel? Towel. Okay.
towel. That's a paper towel.
Do you want a big paper towel?
Yeah, bigger baby towel. Paper towel. I'm scared. I get scared.
You just can't?
I just lost my game at home.
Well, I'm sorry. I hope you feel better.
I just feel better.
Do you like your hot dog though?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. I'm glad you like your hot dog.
I just want to eat the baby one.
Okay. Well, I'd say that the chili cheese dogs are a thumbs up. Are they a thumbs up? Do we like them? Yeah. Mmm.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs up? Mm-hmm. Mm.
It's there because I see.
Oh, yeah?
I see.
You got a piece of cheese on your finger, I think.
That's my photo. Peace.
Peace.
Just go down.
There you go. Good job. That's peace right there.
Just go down. Just go up.
Good job.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh.
Did you just eat peace?
Okay, my back. Okay, my gun. My grandma is going back.
She's going back?
Yeah, he still going. My grandma is going back.
Oh, well, that's good, right? That means we don't have to find her?
My grandma has to find my grandma has to find my daddy.
Okay.
My grandma has to find my Earthlies.
Oh, okay.
And Dory.
And Dory?
Yeah, and Dory.
Oh.
And Nemo.
And Nemo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby Nemo too.
And baby Nemo too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's her baby's gone.
Do you want any more hot dog?
Yeah.
Oh, you have more hot dog on there. You have a whole piece of hot dog.
Yeah, her pieces.
And there's cheese all over it.
Okay. Okay. I just want to bite some. It's a baby one.
A baby piece of cheese. Anastasia, do you not like the beans?
I do.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay.
It's a lot of cheese fun. Look at it.
They're pretty yummy beans.
You have to take a pot out of it, Mom.
You want to take it apart?
Okay.
Oh, you can just bite it.
Okay, okay.
Make sure you chew it really good.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, I'd say we approve. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Oh, you want to leave it on? Okay. We do have plenty more pickles. In case you want more pickles. Are you going to tell us any more stories, Hannah? Are you growling at your dog? Your hot dog? You growling at your cheese? Well, that's silly. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.